cake day. Cake day? What's cake day? Is that my birthday? Is that cake day? They were talking about tool inoculum, and I wrote a little story about tool and the inoculum. And I'm going to read to you what I wrote on Reddit. My son sent it to me, and when I'm in the realm of connecting and thinking and putting what I see to words, there is a time when the vibration and the new wave meet and embrace. The most powerful time in history is during the period of an individual's life. This is our time. And Tool's decipher of art music portrayed by Alex Gray's an atomic way of drawing up for Tool's voice, talking our way in, through, and about the ether in time. Feel it. Now go to the tips, to the ends of your fingertips. End of your fingertips. You are holding within the fire, the ether. Patience, my friends. If you don't feel it now, it's because you're not looking for it. The end of my fingertips. See what it looks like. Feel it. Feel that pressure. Open your heart and let go your ego. We are one in a ball and all. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. That is the Grammy Tool nominated for Best Metal Performance and Best Wrong Song Fear Inoculum in Column. Now I want to get on to the regular video. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I have a question to ask. Should I just end the video here in a minute and just say, that's it? Or should I get on with the next video? Because the more videos I get out there, the more chance somebody's going to bump into it. Imagine if I threw everything into the middle of the street. Didn't matter what it is. Somebody's going to bump into it. So I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to do another video of ultimate importance. I just wanted to sell BIOAQ, the pros and the cons, the buy and the sell, and that's the logo. If you want a shirt just like this, I can make one from you. I can take away this part and just keep this part. Everybody can get a crazy hoodie for the guy who went to court, eh? Eh? Everybody's still up there saying, what's going on? Does the comma count? I want to ask you a question. When you're talking sign language to somebody, does this count? Yeah, to a blind man. Imagine talking sound language to a blind man. Anyways, that's it for now. I'm going to come back with another video. Thank you for watching. No comments.